Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel, guys and girls. Now, probably hear the air fryer in the background. I'm just doing the lads' dinner. We're having sandwiches today, but I'm just going to quickly show you the lads. The stuff's in the air fryer already, and then I'll show you mine. I'm having a beef, a cheese, beef and mustard with some red onion and some tomato. That's what we're having, guys. So let me just quickly show you the lads what they're having, and then we'll get on to mine. This is what the lads are having, guys. Battered chicken balls and southern fried chicken chunks. These were from Iceland, 3 for a tenner. So there they are at the minute. Some in the air fryer, I've got a couple of minutes to go. Them chicken balls look nice though, look. Look at them. They look lovely. 3 for 10, and that's what they're having, guys, anyway. And we're having it on some par-baked baguettes. That's from Aldi, 89p. So, first things first, we want to do, get the baguettes cut open. I'm going to be using, well, I'll show you in a second. You can do this on your pan if you wanted to. Well, you can do it in the oven, I suppose. Let's get them open first. We'll get them cut straight down the middle. So I'll just quickly show you this one. I'm hoping the picture's going to be alright, guys, because I've just found, which I forgot I had, my overhead tripod. I bought it about 18 months ago and I used it a couple of times. I forgot I had it. So that's what I'm using today. See how we get on. Anyway, there's them cut. I'm going to be using my machine. I don't think I've ever showed you this. I got this from, the door. I got this from Aldi, not Aldi, Lidl. I got about 5 or 6 months ago. And they're pretty good for a little sandwich machine. I don't use it often. The lads always use them. They want a sandwich. There they are. They're pretty good, actually, to be honest with you. So first things first, guys. I want to get the baguettes to start toasting. So we're going to get them in there. I'm just going to give it a little bit of a toast on the bottom. There's the chickens, done. And there's the chicken balls. Okay, let's get the old baguettes out. Let's put them on there. Well, I want some cheese, guys. We're using everyday essential. Chop them in half. This should be a quick one. Just some slices, ain't it? That's all it is. We'll do 1, 2. What I'm going to do, I'm going to split them in half, because we haven't had them chicken things really before, so we don't know how good they're going to be. You know what I mean? And the lads can always have some more later then. So we'll put it like that. I've had I think I've had 1 or 2 of the Ninja air fryer things, but I'm not sure which ones I had. Some more cheese on top to get the gooiness. And we'll just get them in, guys, and we'll just cook them up. Then we'll get straight on to mine. There you go. And when you pull them down these, you have to be a little bit careful, because they do on this. I mean, they are tall anyway, but they do slide, so you have to push them down nice and slow. And just give it a little squash. And you get a tray from there, but I've lost it, so I always just use a little plate, just in case you get any gooiness under there or anything like that. You know what I mean? And I'll just cook them up, guys. Okay, let's have a look. Oh yes, look, guys. Nice and delicious. They're hot. You have to be very careful when you get them out. And there's them. Just going to give them to the lads. Now clean that and we'll get on to mine. Right, on to mine. The main one. Matt's only having soup today, guys. So she's just going to have some of this bread with a bowl of soup. So we'll just cut that in half again, as we do. and get my one cut in half. Now I'm going to have, let me show you, all my ingredients. 2 lots of cheese. We've got some red Leicester. Obviously we've got our mild cheese, the slices. We're going to have some English mustard. And we're going to have some of these beef briskets, guys. That's what we're going to have on ours, with some red onion and beef tomato. Oh yeah. Right, first things first, get them toasted anyway. You can butter them if you want. I'm not going to, because you don't really need to in them things. But I say you can do this in the oven, you know what I mean? Or in a pan. You don't have to have one of them. But that was, I think it was $19.99, I think, if I can remember. But I say it's been probably 4 or 5 months since I got it. And I've bought myself, guys, 2 new books. Let me just show you, actually. Oh, that was the knock at the door. Let me go and get it. Now, this one, school dinners, guys. I can't find me a one. I look for money. So they're coming back. It's a brand new book. Well, it's not brand new, but it's completely different to my other one. So we're going to be doing some school dinners, guys. Hopefully, it's going to be a lot better than my other one. I think it was only like £2.50 that was off Amazon. So, school dinners, The Good, the Bad, and the Spotted Dick by Becky Thorne. That's that one. And this one, I went into WH Smith's yesterday when I had the dentist, and I was looking at this book and it was £22. Oh, it's a bit expensive. So then I looked on Amazon and I got a sale on, 50% off, £11. Pinch and Arm, all in one, brand new book. So if you're into Pinch and Arm, guys, I think their recipes are delicious. £11 on Amazon at the minute. And I've had a quick glance through and it's a lot of one-pan recipes, which is what I want to do. Slow cookers and one pots. I want to do that probably next week, hopefully. There's loads of lovely stuff in there. I won't show you it all because we're going to do it. But £11, guys, for a brand new book from Pinch and Arm, all in one on Amazon. So if you're interested in them, get yourself one, because they're £22 otherwise. Has got a recommended price on the back there? Yeah, it says there. I don't know if you can see it. £22 recommended price. So, good value, I think. Okay, they should be toasted. Yes, there's Nats. There's no butter or anything on that. She just wants it like that. So we're just going to toast it like that, guys, and squash it down so she can tear it with a soup. That's easy. And with mine, I'm going to put a little bit of butter on the base. Well, margarine, because my butter's hard. So we're going to use marge. Put a bit of that on there. We're going cheese slices. I do like these cheese slices, to be honest, $1.39 from Aldi. They're better than the other ones. The, as you say, the American plastic burger cheese. On there. Eat that bit. We're going to get, actually, we'll get tomato on now. Oh, yeah. Then I'll get me beef on. The $1.79 this was, I think it was. But I mean, it's 10 slices, guys. Processed beef. Well, they sell it, so. For a sandwich like this, guys, get it down your gob. Ooh, should we put 3 on? Let's put 3 on. Get one in the middle. There's that. We'll get some onion on. Oh no, mustard. Where's my mustard? Like a bit of an English mustard with some beef. Oh yeah. Get that on there. Pile it on. We'll get some red onion on, guys. Just pile it on. You don't have to look anything special, does it? Just get it on. I'm going to put a bit of mayonnaise on, because I have to have mayonnaise on all my sandwiches. Actually, I'll put the mayo on the lid. There we go. And we'll top off with some red Leicester. So we get all that gooiness as well to go in with the beef. And these won't take long, probably 5 minutes. We just want to squash it all together and make sure things are melted and all that sort of stuff, guys. And we'll get it on. So just be careful if you do get one of these, just be careful. Because if you just push it down, it'll just slide off. And just do that. And then give it a squash. Nat's just having cream and tomato soup, guys. She does like a bit of cream and tomato soup from Aldi. I think these about 69p, these. Get that in and we'll just cook that up. Okay, we should be done. Oh, yes, there we go. That's just Nat's, which she can tear. Actually, before I put mine on a plate, we'll get it out. All that gooiness, guys, look. And we'll cut it in half, straight down the middle. There. Oh, yeah. Right, let's get on the table, guys. And let's have a bite to eat. What do you reckon then, guys? I put myself some Aldi cheap Doritos on the side as well. So we can have a munch. Oh, yeah. That's tucking in. I've got Marge back, but that butter is a bit hard, sweetheart, if you want to.
That's fine. That's lovely.
And there's more pepper there. No? Okay. Right then, where should we go, guys? Straight in with it. Yeah. Let me get you in the camera, because I've got my other tripod out, so I've got to try and work it out a bit. It's going to be boiling up with that cheese, so I've got to be careful. But let's have a look. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Right. Let's tuck in. And say with these, put in what you want, can't you? Just what I fancy today. Thank you, Bob. Oh, guys, it's 100% yes. Absolutely delicious. That English mustard with that little bit of beef brisket there. Them tomatoes, that bit of mayo. It is the BB. Not the BB, the DB. The dog's beep. Absolutely yes. Oh, wow. Just what I needed. I need some water. Let me know, guys, what you would have on your sandwich. The lads, one of the lads that orders, and he said it was absolutely delicious, didn't he? The younger lads. He says, oh, yeah. And an oh, yeah means an oh, yeah, doesn't it, Bab?
Don't you keep trying to speak to me, I've got my mouth full.
You crack on. She's all right at a dentist now. She's got to go back in 3 weeks. Something 3 weeks, I think, to have another implant done, isn't it? Something like that. So, yeah, I don't know, you ain't got your tuff in. You got your tuff in? No.
He said he can see it don't fit my mouth, so he can make me a new one.
Gonna make a new one. So, them things, I say, do you remember how much that cost? Was it 20 quid?
What was?
That sandwich machine from Lidl.
It was £20.
20 quid. I say, we've had it months and months now, probably 5 months or something, anyway, 6 months or something. So I don't know when they have them in, guys, or how often. But if they get one, if they have them in again, they are worth getting.
I think they are.
You just need to be careful when you put it down, because otherwise the stuff will just go everywhere.
It just slides down it.
Yeah, so you need to like be careful when you put it down, and then give it a press so it like kind of flattens it, if you get what I mean. But apart from that, they're all right. And if you haven't got one, you can do it in your pan. Just flatten it down, or do it in the oven. You know what I mean? You wouldn't get one of them in the air fryer, would you? One of them big baguettes, unless you cut them in half. Look at the gooiness. Oh, wow.
I'm enjoying this. It's nice.
Enjoying that.
Yeah, I needed something simple today.
And if you're looking for one of them pinch and arm books, guys, I'm telling you, if you use them, 11 quid at the minute instead of 22.
That's better, that is, 11 quid.
So when in WS, so I said, I ain't buying that, it's 22 quid.
No, booked in there, right?
And I looked online, and 11 quid on sale. I don't know how long the sale's for. But all in all, guys, I'm well happy with this today. So, give us a like, give us a subscribe. Until the next time, we will see you later. Bye-bye.